Let's show you how we're leveraging AI and ChatGPT to create powerful job advertisements in seconds instead of days, weeks, or hours. If you're a business owner and you own a small or mid-sized company, finding great talent can be literally a make or break situation for you. Every day that role goes unfilled, you're not producing revenue. You're putting strain on the rest of your team, causing burnout, hurting the culture of your organization. Getting it wrong costs you even more. The damage and destruction a problematic hire causes can literally set you back months, if not years, in terms of achieving your ultimate revenue producing goals. So where do you begin? Well, most people spend days, weeks, if not months, putting together their advertisement and beginning a job search. At Discovered, we're starting our clients off in seconds, creating powerful job advertisements, get applicants to apply, marketing those jobs across all major job boards and channels so that you can attract and find your next rockstar hire. In my previous video, I shared with you the importance of creating powerful performance-based job descriptions before we begin the process of writing a job advertisement. Check that out if you haven't written your job description yet. The first step, we started with that job description. I'll briefly just show you what we created here. We're hiring a complex role, a crew chief for a land surveying. There's a lot of responsibilities, requirements, and OKRs and KPIs that gotta be covered. This is the crucial point here. We had to engineer really good prompts for the AI, otherwise garbage in, garbage out. We gave it some key information, including the URL for the company website and key pieces of information about what they do in the company. Now I'm gonna give another really smart set of prompts, and I'm gonna leverage other information that was pulled straight from the company website. Most websites have an about us, and usually those tell a pretty good story, right? We already invested the time to share the value proposition of our organization, the story of our organization, why it came to be, how it came to be, what we do, who we serve, what our core values are. All I did was grab that information. Because I started with a job description, I was able to just say, hey, transform that job description you previously wrote for me. And I could have said something like, hey, my company is X, throw in URL, copy and paste the About Us page, core values. Write me a job advertisement to help me find a crew chief for my land surveying crews. And that would have sufficed just as well as what I did here. So you can attack this from different angles, but as you saw, the key is I fed it the additional pieces of information that are already created. I didn't have to rewrite them. I didn't have to reinvent the wheel here. I fed it that crucial information and then asked it to write a job advertisement. In a few seconds, boom, I had a land survey crew chief job advertisement written. This is gonna nail our ideal candidate, and it's gonna resonate with somebody who understands this world. If you're in HR and you're being asked to recruit for a role that you're vaguely familiar with, leverage AI. It's gonna get you 90 to 98% of where you need to be. If you're a business owner and you don't have time to be writing a 500-word job advertisement, leverage AI, ChatGPT, and Discovered. Let us create job advertisements for you instantly and push those to all the major job boards so that you can start attracting your ideal candidate tomorrow instead of days and weeks from now. AI and Discovered is a win-win for everyone. No job candidate wants to read a boring, stale job description. HR, business owners, hiring managers, you can start marketing your jobs in seconds instead of toiling over the task of getting started. In a few seconds, you can have a powerful message written by AI, distributed through Discovered to attract our ideal candidates. If you're in a specialized field, you know getting the word out can be difficult. Creating recruitment marketing material, social media posts, using AI is going to get that word out virtually instantly. And allow you to tap into one of the hidden secrets of recruitment marketing. 99% of companies don't leverage enough, and it's usually because of the time that it takes. But it gets better. In our next video, we're going to show you how we use AI to create a massive amount of recruitment marketing content in seconds, making it 10 times easier to create and distribute this content so you can start attracting your ideal candidate. See you in the next video.